The iQOO Neo 7 Pro is a total game changer in its category. It boasts a top-notch processor that won't break the bank, making it a true flagship killer. Powered by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which was last year's top-tier chip, this smartphone is now available in the $300 to $400 price range. And you might even find it at a lower cost with special offers and discounts. Moreover, it comes with a generous 12 to 56 GB storage capacity. This phone doesn't compromise on anything you'd expect from a high-quality device. I'm talking about the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, super speedy UFS 3.0 storage, and a 50-megapixel GN5 image sensor with OIS for stunning pictures. Oh, did I mention it comes with 120-watt charging? Say goodbye to long charging times. Plus, there is a whopping 5,000 mAh battery to keep you going all day long. And don't forget the icing on the cake, a smooth 120Hz AMOLED screen with a 10-bit panel for a breathtaking display. With such an abundance of impressive features, the iQOO Neo 7 Pro stands out as a truly remarkable smartphone. But does the iQOO Neo 7 Pro have all the good features and no drawbacks? Let's discuss the pros and cons. Starting with the display, the phone boasts a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with HDR10 Plus support, providing excellent display quality. Additionally, it impresses with a 360Hz touch sampling rate and DCI B3 color gamut, ensuring smooth interactions and vibrant colors. The display doesn't appear to have any noticeable shortcomings. However, it lacks an LTPO screen, a feature commonly found in more expensive premium phones. Moving on to its security features, the under-display fingerprint scanner performs well, offering reliable and quick access to the device. Furthermore, the haptic feedback quality enhances the user experience with responsive tactile feedback. Regarding its audio capabilities, the phone comes equipped with stereo speakers that deliver loud and enjoyable sound, making it ideal for gaming and multimedia consumption. Let's explore the phone's processor now. It's known as Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The exciting part is that they have integrated an additional chip to enhance frame rates in specific games, making this phone specifically tailored for gamers. If you are a gaming enthusiast looking for a phone priced under $450 with exceptional gaming performance, the iQOO is an ideal choice. It boasts 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Alternatively, you can opt for the 12 GB RAM version, which provides a generous 256 GB of storage. Running on Android 13 with FunTouch OS 13 straight out of the box, this phone presents an outstanding opportunity for gamers seeking a top-notch device within this price range. When discussing FunTouch OS, it offers exciting features and extensive customization, similar to Vivo's phone experience. The user interface has improved, but it may have some pre-installed apps that some users consider bloatware. Thankfully, you can uninstall these apps if you don't need them. The software updates are impressive, with 2 years of Android version updates and 3 years of security patch updates. Based on iQOO's track record, they have demonstrated a diligent approach to providing timely updates, a positive aspect that instills confidence in their commitment to fulfilling their promises of continuous support for 2 years. Let's delve into the 5G connectivity of this phone first. It fully supports 5G, and during our testing, the VoNR Voice over New Radio feature performed admirably, allowing seamless calls over the 5G network. Now, onto the camera capabilities. The main camera boasts an impressive 50-megapixel Samsung GN5 image sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization. This combination delivers outstanding photo quality and supports recording 4K videos at an impressive 60 FPS. The main camera's image processing is top-notch, making it a standout performer in the $350 price range. However, when it comes to the additional cameras, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel secondary cameras don't quite match the main camera's prowess. The ultra-wide camera captures decent pictures, but it falls short when compared to the main camera. As for the 2-megapixel secondary camera, its performance is subpar, and it would have been better to replace it with an 8-megapixel, 12-megapixel, 13-megapixel, 16-megapixel, or even a 50-megapixel sensor instead. By removing the 2-megapixel sensor, the camera setup would have been even more impressive. On a brighter note, the 16-megapixel selfie camera does a commendable job in capturing quality self-portraits. Presenting this phone, featuring a robust 5000 mAh battery paired with a blazingly fast 120-watt charger. The charging speed is truly impressive, and the battery's overall capacity ensures it easily lasts through a full day of use. While the phone may warm a bit during intensive usage, fret not, as it incorporates a large vapor chamber cooling system to keep temperatures in check. As for the build, the phone boasts a plastic frame on the sides and offers a choice between two color options. I had the pleasure of trying out the striking Fearless Flame color variant, which sports an attractive plastic or vegan leather finish. Additionally, the phone's weight is kept under 200 grams, ensuring a comfortable grip. Now, let's delve into its performance. The processor performs exceptionally well, and the primary camera captures impressive image quality. The display is excellent, complemented by the exceptional battery life delivered by the 5000 mAh powerhouse. Overall, the phone's performance is top-notch. However, I must mention two minor drawbacks. Firstly, the ultra-wide-angle camera only has an 8-megapixel resolution, which is satisfactory but not extraordinary. Secondly, there is some pre-installed bloatware, but once you remove the unnecessary apps, games, and browser notifications, you'll enjoy a clean user experience. In terms of the price, this phone offers fantastic value for money, especially considering it's priced under $350. If you're looking for a phone with flagship-level performance without breaking the bank, this could be a perfect choice for you. I strongly suggest considering the iQOO Neo 7 Pro if you're currently on the lookout for a new phone. So, do you agree that this device can be called a flagship killer? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.